I am gonna do is blending my condensed glue gels. Huh? It's good. It was extra, but it's not running down because it's so thick density. It takes forever to get it run down. Okay, great. So next we're going to do, if you don't want shiny, you can using a matte top coat, but we're going to using a shiny this time, unless you request for the matte top coat. Maybe next time I should do, tomorrow I should do matte collection, everything with matte. Sarah did the other day. It's really nice. Okay, I just spilled this one accidentally, ladies, on this side, but it's okay, you can't see it, but I'm seeing it so I can pick up some of my okay, so I bent this one already. I'm gonna place this nice right here. Okay, and before that I'm gonna do this. We did it a long time ago, but I saw Sarah did it again, so thanks Sarah, it's really great inspiration. I'm doing it again. See, you never know, you want to do it with your bestie doing, and you're learning so much and inspire from each other. I'm doing it, Sarah. It means I'm watching your live videos and it works. Okay, so it's too much. I'm taking it off. I am going to put the gold beads in here. Everything can fix with gold beads. Oh, I didn't using other beads today besides gold beads, huh? We'll do tomorrow a different one to make it up for it today. All right. It's bent nicely, so that's why it's go really nice in like a form with the C curve of the nails. And place them tight, close tight together. I'm going to use a bar. You never get how do I say it? You're never gonna get going wrong with this cube. All that frames and bar over here. Okay, one more, two more right there. You can keep go on and on. I think I'm so obsessed with this. Great. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure this under the LED lamp. Just one more right there. just make sure they are exactly where you want it. Great. So I am going to gear it. I know it's on my end, looks good. I might adjusting it if I pull it off the camera, but want to key it for 60 seconds. So when you're doing a keying, you make sure you ask the client doing it back and forth. So then it's gonna key all the way on the edges of the crystals. So it's not gonna have any chance to loosen and come off because of not keying properly. So we did 4 shapes. Today's everyone's from our anniversary kits. It's really such a versatile different way that you can do with, and I bet that when you get the kits you will create so many, like it's limitless. You will never see like not enough designs and stuff, and creation that you're gonna create. So I'm so excited. Let me show you the 3 nails we did. We did this one first, and then we did this one, and then we did this one. And we are going to using precision glue and take my red cap off, and I'm gonna check it first before I squeeze anything out. If I feel any is gap right here or cracks right here, I'm gonna feel squeeze just a little bit in. Great. And using a twin tip brush to blend all of the excess. Oop, got a little bit on the crystal, but it's okay, I'll wipe it up. Key it for 60 seconds, and this nail is done.